You've seen the rust, you've seen the reds, and you've definitely seen the regrets. But today, I wanted to take a step back and answer the questions that I get asked the most. K, why this car? Why spend your whole weekend covered in a 10-year-old grease? It started with seeing that this car has a lot of potential. Hear me out. All Datsun 1600 are known as 510s all over the world, and there's people out there who can turn this car into massive beasts. I found this car at home. The car has always been in the family. My family somehow knew that this car has a lot of potential. And even though most people saw a pile of crap, I saw a dream, my family saw a dream, and I wanted to take it back to its former glory. But I want to know about you. What is the first car that made you fall in love with driving? Let me know in the comment section right now. I'll be honest with you. There have been days where I wanted to sell the whole thing for parts. Like that time stripping the whole interior and removing the whole tank out of the car. Check the link of the video at the right corner of the screen. But every time when I fix one small thing, it reminds me why I'm doing this. It's not about the gears, it's about the shift. But shifting one piece of history back onto the road. This build is not just about me, it's ours. Your tips and comments keep me going when I feel like the rust is winning. So, for the next video, should we tackle cleaning the inside of the tank, which it is rusted, or should we dive into the engine and try to make the car start, which will be around June? Vote in the comment section right now. Thanks for being part of the Shift with 1600 family. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button because we have a long road ahead. And I'm glad you are taking the passenger seat. Hit that subscribe button in 3, 2, 1. Bam!